Cinderella got Gus Gus. And then evil and chased it from her mother. And it's from her. And then, indeed, of it.
Yeah.
And Gus Gus helped Cinderella. Uncle Phil, do you love Gus Gus or Mary?
I don't know.
Do you love a mouse or no?
Yes.
What kind of mouse?
Church mouse.
There's no church mouse in Cinderella.
Oh.
Do you love Gus Gus?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
I love Mary. I love Mary and Cinderella.
Cinderella.
Stop singing that song. Stop singing that song, I said.
Upstairs to kiss her fella.
Stop singing. And figure out how did it bend. Got bend.
Hello? Hello?